2025 Volkswagen Compact Motorhome redefines the concept of freedom and adventure. Designed for those who crave exploration without sacrificing comfort, it's a compact yet powerful solution for off-grid living. Under the hood, the 2025 Volkswagen Compact Motorhome is powered by a 2.0-liter TDI turbocharged diesel engine that delivers an impressive 204 horsepower and 450 Newton-meters of torque. Paired with Volkswagen's renowned 4MOTION all-wheel drive system, this motorhome ensures superior traction and control, whether you're navigating steep mountain trails or cruising along sandy beaches. With its 7-speed DSG automatic transmission, every journey is smooth and effortless. Plus, with a 70-liter fuel tank and an average fuel efficiency of 35 miles per gallon, you can venture further without frequent stops. The Volkswagen Compact Motorhome is designed for off-grid adventurers. It features roof-mounted solar panels that power an advanced battery system, allowing you to stay connected no matter where you are. A compact yet efficient onboard generator ensures you'll never run out of energy for those longer expeditions. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a thoughtfully designed interior that blends practicality with premium comfort. The living area features a convertible lounge space with plush seating that transforms into a cozy sleeping area. The fully equipped kitchenette includes a 2-burner gas stove, compact refrigerator, and microwave, ensuring you can enjoy gourmet meals on the go. In the rear, you'll find a queen-size pull-out bed with memory foam, while the bathroom offers a sleek shower, eco-friendly toilet, and water filtration system. Despite its compact size, this motorhome doesn't skimp on storage. Multiple overhead compartments and cleverly hidden spaces ensure you can pack all your gear without feeling cramped. Starting at $65,000, the 2025 Volkswagen Compact Motorhome offers unbeatable value for its exceptional design and capabilities. Fully customized versions, with options like satellite internet, upgraded solar panels, or enhanced off-road tires, can reach up to $80,000. It's a small price to pay for a lifetime of unforgettable adventures. The 2025 Volkswagen Compact Motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's your ticket to freedom, comfort, and limitless exploration. Whether you're chasing sunsets on the coast or venturing deep into the wilderness, this motorhome has got you covered. Your adventure starts here. Are you ready to take the wheel?